The aim of my research group is to understand the molecular mechanisms that enable plant survival under stress conditions, with a particular focus on high temperature stress, one of the major effects of climate change. Our research provides valuable insights into the response and adaptation of plants to climate change stressors by answering questions why some plants are more resilient to stresses than others, and what is the basis of these differences in tolerance. We are mainly working with crop plants, but we are also interested to apply our experience on ecosystems and thereby to contribute to the goals and objectives of robust nature and the profile area of sustainability and biodiversity. We will contribute by identifying and characterizing the molecular mechanisms of stress resilience or sensitivity, which will provide a deeper understanding of how environmental stresses impact ecosystems. By examining the molecular responses of organisms and with the help of other groups of robust nature, we want to assess ecosystem health, population dynamics, species interactions, and if needed, support for conservation and restoration efforts.